gap analysis, case study 2, and report who to prepare case study.
Sorry. Go one by one. What you're telling?
Gap analysis, case
Hmm.
study.
Case study. Case study means maybe what you can tell. Some issue. We discussed in the project, right? RCA, root cause analysis.
Okay,
That you
okay,
can
sir.
tell as case study. That's all.
Okay, okay, sir. And
Yeah.
report who to prepare case study.
RCA will be prepared by consultant only.
Okay,
Case study should be prepared by consultant only.
okay, sir.
Where is in question that case study? Where is it in
Uh,
the?
in WhatsApp, you have
Yeah.
you have sent lots of questions.
Yes.
Then,
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Case study mostly that only. The RCA. Mostly the RCA.
okay.
Mostly the RCA.
But it's required for as a consultant level. If we have a prepare a report in case study, then how will create?
See, case study, even I'm not 100% sure. Case study, case study. Uh, I'll check case study. What is case study? I'll check it. Okay. Case study
Okay,
mostly
sir.
mostly your RC root cause analysis mostly. I think
Okay,
so.
sir.
Case study. I guess so. I think case study is that only. I I think so. Case study. I guess I'll reconfirm that. Okay, I'll reconfirm that and I will let you know.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and other questions? What are the other questions you have?
Both two questions are here, gap analysis and report who to prepare, both bus. Then it's enough.
Yeah, gap analysis. Yeah, during implementation,
Okay, sir.
during implementation gap analysis. We need. I think I had some document on gap analysis also in the one sec. Activate as a blue field, right? Mappy. Okay, blueprint here. Yeah, gap analysis. Okay, what is gap? Okay, this is the information type of project, how to solve. Yeah, see, gap analysis means which is a requirement from the business. We are not able to fix it. We don't have standard solution for it. So we will go for development. That is what gap analysis. That is what gap analysis. That's what gap analysis I can tell. That is, I can give this document. You can go through. Okay. Other than that, I don't see any document. I don't have. Okay. So this maybe you can read and that's the thing. Requirement from business. Okay, but not able to. We don't have standard solution. That time only
Okay.
we go for resource. That open points we don't have standard solution, so we go for the RICEFWS. That is what gap analysis.
Okay, sir.
That is what gap analysis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other things?
No, sir.
Sir, hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, I created LSMW, sir.
Okay.
Uh, but in that, sir, what is wrong going on? I not understand, sir, because I
Hmm.
created equipment, but I think
No, what is the error you are getting? Because see, LSMW. Okay, it is what I can tell. It's a technical thing. Even one small that Excel or that source data, this that they're telling, right? You are not matching anything also, your data will not come actually. Okay, so that is what is the error you are getting? What is the error at least you are getting?
uh,
What?
I sir, I created last step. that time they cannot created equipment that 28, but I think put the repeat value and that after complete the equipment, sir.
I didn't understand what you're telling. You're telling something repeated, something I'm not able to get what you're telling. I didn't
Okay, sir.
understand what you're telling.
I
Uh,
created, sir. I created a list, LSMW, sir.
okay.
Uh, and go to the last step.
Hmm.
Then
You need to go to
atom.
process. In that, you need to
Uh,
go to process. Correct? You are telling
uh,
that one, right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
But
There,
that.
what is the issue? Here you're telling, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Here you are telling this one. Select the line. You should have that
Yes.
your
Of course.
created, and you need to click process.
Yes, sir.
What is it? No. What is the error you're getting?
Sir, this process will be click. I click this process.
Hmm.
That time they go to the equipment and that they can either to the object type or
Yeah, your Excel is not proper. You didn't
okay.
maintain your Excel properly. That is the issue. You didn't
Something,
maintain data
some,
data issue. It's a data
something
issue.
missing in.
Yes, your
Okay.
Excel is
Okay,
not
sir.
proper. Your Excel, there is issue with your Excel.
Sir.
There is issue with your Excel. That is what
Okay,
you are
sir.
getting this issue. You are
Okay, sir.
missing something in your Excel.
I will try it today and then got error.
Excel,
I
it
will.
is Excel, it is Excel issue. Your data is not proper.
Okay,
I,
sir.
in this LSMW, very important step is preparing data in the Excel. If your data is, that's what I tell you. If this is 100% your data issue. Your Excel, your data is not proper. I'm telling, right? Your data is, or give me the Excel, I will check it. What is the data you had put? You share me the Excel, I will check what is your issue. After this class also we can check. After this, it won't take much time. You give your Excel, share me in WhatsApp or anything. I can check it. I
Okay,
can
sir.
check it. Okay, it's very clear. It is your data issue. Data, the Excel, what you Excel, you should be very clear while preparing. You should be very cautious while preparing your Excel. Otherwise, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So, any other points?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
okay, okay, okay. 1 minute. Okay, so today we'll start as a methodology and all we completed. Okay, yeah. So yeah, Saurabh, if they are asking you what you did implementation, they are asking you. Okay, okay. Now, so what answer you give? Whether you complete implementation, you are going to tell yes. So can you explain about your implementation if they are asking? So what you are going to tell?
Implementation. It means no plant setup for PM module, and basically it's 5 steps for implementation. First one is
See, 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 see. When you are explaining what I told is what is as up I told you. That you should not explain there. When they are asking on your implementation, you should tell how you did implementation. Understand the point. You should not tell what I am telling. Basically, open you should not tell in the interview. They will
Okay.
be asking how you did implementation means you should tell according to a implementation as like you did. You should not explain as a blueprint means preparing document. What
Okay.
document you prepared for your implementation? Like that you should speak. You are able to understand. Don't speak what I am telling. Are you
okay, sir.
getting me?
Yes.
Okay, project leave the project preparation. That's not much matter. So second phase, blueprint, what you are going to tell. In the blueprint,
Uh,
what you are going to tell for your project. Now you need to, you don't tell again document I prepare, I discover. So it should be something related to PM. You should speak on the blueprint. Some business
okay.
process. Blueprint means some business
Business
process.
business process.
What is the requirement? How you did, and what are the things was the requirement? Like that you should speak in the blueprint. Don't tell I prepared a document.
Okay.
You got it. Prepare a
Got it.
doc. Everyone will do. But if you did the implementation, If you did implementation, what are the requirements from the business? Like that, you should explain. Tell me what you will tell on the blueprint. Tell me.
uh, for business from business side related to maintenance, and PM will start. We need a, plant work center usage, capacity and cost center, labor cost, and key values, and FL, uh, planner group, hierarchy, status view profile. All these are blueprints for doing a implementation.
Oh, that's all completed. Only work center and FL blueprint completed.
And and business, for a business configuration, corrective, calibration, status profile for preventive, we can uh, configuration for each, correct, like corrective and calibration. That's it.
Corrective, what you did configuration for corrective, what you did configuration.
uh, Corrective,
You only told, right? Corrective, you did configuration, you only told, right?
right, sir.
Then tell me the configuration.
Correct.
You only told there is corrective, okay. Then you should tell what is the configuration. You only did implementation, right? Then you should know what configuration you did for the corrective. For related to corrective, what and all configurations you did. That is what I tell 1,000 times. Configuration is very, very important. Very, very important. Tell me what configurations you are going to tell.
Or order type, and
Hmm.
scheduling,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, order type and scheduling.
Hmm. Not doing, see, I will tell you what you guys are doing. Whatever I'm telling, running my video and understanding. You guys are not doing the system. If you are not doing the system, you cannot give answer. If you are not doing the system, you cannot give answer. You are not practicing. This practice and all will not help in the interview. You should do lot of practice. You don't have even one configuration. You are blinking. Then how the people will accept you did the implementation? How the panel people will accept you? Tell me. Is it right or wrong what I am asking?
Yes, sir.
You are not giving any answers. You told you are doing configuration. Then what you did? Tell me.
Sir, work order configuration is order type and order type to plant, and scheduling, default date, unit of hour for operation, good movements, and default planning indicator, and control key configuration and confirmation.
Okay. So after blueprint, what happened? You prepared a blueprint. After blueprint, what happened?
Uh, After blueprint, uh, then after blueprint, then we will go for realization and final preparation.
What is realization? I don't know. What is realization? What is the meaning of the word realization? I don't know.
Reali- Realization is two types of configuration: baseline configuration and final configuration.
Okay. So
And
in your project, what was baseline and what was final configuration in your project? Correct. Baseline and final configuration.
in final configuration is done in development system, and
Mm-hmm.
quality, one system move to another system by release, and configuration come to quality,
Mm.
uh, and as a consultant need to testing test script and user manual and PPT and
What and all test scripts you prepared? What and all test scripts you prepared?
uh, test script test script for equipment creation, FL creation, and preventive maintenance, single cycle strategy, and
Hmm?
create time-based strategy plan, performance plan.
Hmm.
That's all.
Okay. After that, so what was initial and what was your final configuration? What was your initial configuration? What was your final configuration? You told two types of configuration, right? Baseline and final. What is
Yes.
baseline and what is final?
Baseline is a project preparation, and final is a go live. Final is go live.
In the
Final
means you are telling in the realization, final configuration means it, you are telling it is go live. You are doing go live there itself, the final configuration itself.
No, after final preparation is completed, then we'll go for go live.
Oh, after final configuration, direct go live, nothing in the middle. Super, super, super. So after realization, go live phase, nothing is there in the middle, right? After realization, go live directly, nothing is there in the middle, correct?
No, project preparation, blueprint
Oh,
realization,
the panel, realization
and final preparation.
so final preparation, the panel people will sit and teach like me to you, right? Hello, Saurabh, you need to do final preparation. Why you are forgetting? They will sit and teach you in the interview, correct? Correct, right? They will sit and teach you.
Okay.
Then you think so you find one like me, panel people will sit and teach you. You are thinking they will sit and teach you. Is it?
No, sir.
I don't know. If they are teaching, you are the luckiest person in the world. I don't think so. Panel people will sit and teach you. From final preparation, you are going go live. I don't know, sir. I don't know. I don't know what you will do. Okay, see, I am doing my best, but you guys are not preparing means I cannot do anything. Sir, I forget, you will tell. Forget and all will not help in the interview.
Sir,
Forget and all.
in implementation, it's
Hmm.
five steps. Then
Correct.
after five steps, after four steps completed, then fifth step is go live.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
so first step is project preparation,
Correct.
and second is
Correct.
blueprint.
Correct.
Third realization.
Correct.
Fourth is final preparation.
Correct.
Then what is left? Any point? Other point?
Go live. Fifth is go live.
Yes, go live.
In
So
the final preparation, you have the cutover activities also.
cutover activity in a final preparation activity.
Yes. Yes, it is part of final preparation.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then I told all steps. Then
No.
how? What we
Final
miss?
preparation. Final preparation didn't tell you. Told in the realization, final configuration and then go live you told. Final configuration, then go live you told. My
Mm,
question was, the final preparation, there are, you told baseline and final configuration. You told
yes.
baseline and final configuration is go live you told. You don't use
No,
the word final preparation.
no. After final configuration, then I'll speak final preparation, then go live.
Final preparation, only one word is enough. Nothing is required there.
And configuration done in development system. Then I will set that in final preparation.
Final preparation, you need to explain what you did, the test script prepared, PPT prepared. That is very important. Blueprint and final preparation are the key in asset methodology. If you tell one word final preparation, they will not accept. Final preparation, preparing test scripts, you need to do the testing in quality, business doing testing, UAT, after UAT, cutover activities, TR movement to production, and then number ranges, master data upload to production in sequence, deadline monitoring, batch job setup. This and all, who will come and tell? Who will come and tell? Panel will sit and teach you.
No,
Will
sir.
they teach you? Then? Okay, let me start the class. My time is running already. Oh my God, 12:07. Okay. Prepare thoroughly. Prepare thoroughly. That's what. Okay, so today we'll start with the RICEFWS. Okay, as of the range we completed, today we are going to start with the RICEFWS. Okay, right. Okay, I think we didn't start RICEFWS. I think so. Okay. Okay, RICEFWS is report interface. Okay, report interface conversion enhancement. Okay, development. Okay, this is what report. Report interface conversion enhancement shop paper smart form. Okay, workflow. Okay, so you will come to RICEFWS as you asked before sometime, gap analysis. Okay, so when gap analysis will come during your blueprint discussion. Okay, during your blueprint discussion, you will get the gap analysis. Okay, you can check here. It's loading, it's taking time. Yeah, gap analysis. Okay, so which cannot be mapped into standard SAP. The inputs or the business process which cannot be mapped into standard SAP will be analyzed here. This is called gap analysis. Your good question. You asked me what is gap analysis. This is what gap analysis. There are open points from this business which you are not able to match to SAP. That is called gap analysis. That gap analysis will be converted into RICEFWS. In any one of this, it will come. Okay, report interface conversion enhancement shop paper and on floor. Since this is cannot be mapped into standard SAP, you need to prepare a document, functional specification. Functional specification. Because since this is not a standard, what you are going to do, the other people should know. You are getting my point. Since it is, for example, if you see the work order process, create, release, confirmation, TECO, settlement, and business closure. That is the standard process of work order, right? So in the middle, if you are bringing something, who did you only know? Other people will not know because that is not a standard behavior. Since you are bringing new things, something which is not standard, so you need to document it. That document is called as functional specification for any on this. Okay, that is called as functional specification. This is created by the PM consultant. That is a functional consultant. Okay, if MM means MM consultant will do. If PP means for PP model, PP consultant will do. For MM model, MM consultant will do. For QM model, QM consultant will do. Each model, the individual consultant will do. Okay, so when you read the FS, you will clearly understand what was the requirement from the business and how it is being set up. Okay, again from the programming side, what is the technical team? So Vaibhav or Saurabh, who is the programmer or the developer? ABAPer. So the ABAPer, okay, they will create the technical specification. They will create the technical specification. It is not our requirement, but we should know. Okay, they will prepare the technical specification. This is not our thing, just I'm informing you. This is not our thing. Okay. So when a requirement is coming, how you should handle. Okay, when a requirement is coming, how you should handle. Okay. So first you need to understand the requirement business. What is their requirement, you need to understand clearly. Okay. And you need to check with the programmer whether this can be achieved or not. Because this is a development. Without them, we can't do. So you need to explain them, hey, in this screen, this is what required. Whether this can be achieved or not, you need to discuss with them. If they tell yes, this can be done, then we need to write the function specification. Okay. After the FS is created, it should be approved by the business. After the business had approved, again you need to explain to the ABAPer. You need to again explain them. After that, ABAPer will write the technical specification. Okay. And they will write the code with the BADI, BAPI, user exit or function module. Okay. So I'll come here. And after they did it, we need to test it. First in the dev and then move to quality and then in the quality. And then you need to prepare the test document, how you test it. And then business will test it. Business will test in the UAT. And then it is going to the production. This is the process. This is for understanding, I'm telling. Okay. Right. So FS. Okay. These are the FS, sample FS. Okay. So these are some sample FS. I'll send you now. Okay. Right. So for example, take this. Okay, take this one. Okay. So what is this, right? So, okay, this is that one. Let me check it. What is this? Okay. So they are bringing this equipment field mandatory. Okay, normally if you go IW13, the equipment field or FL field will not be mandatory, right? It will not be mandatory normally. If you give the plant and order type, right? It will not be mandatory, right? It is not mandatory, you can see. So this is a requirement from the business. See, without entering, I can enter. Without entering, I can enter. If you give a correct order type, okay, see here. Okay, that is scheduling issue. Okay, and change.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, you can see it is not asking the equipment FL field, right? So the requirement from the business is this. I need to enter a equipment, see here. Technical object mandatory. Okay, so they want a equipment RFL mandatory. So this is a development, not a standard. You cannot achieve by standard. Clear what I'm telling both of you? Okay, so for that you need to prepare here also. Neither equipment RFL is mandatory. So this document you need to prepare like this. Okay, you need to prepare. So first, what is the function description? EAM. Okay, how you are going to achieve it? Okay, business requirement, business logic. See here, item category. Okay, so requirement. Okay, so what and all unit test like that. Okay, see business benefit. Okay, and above all business requirement. Okay, above all is all business requirement. Okay, this all are business. This is what business requirement only. Okay, and then business benefit, what they are achieving with this. Okay,
Okay.
business benefit scope. Okay, how you are going to do or something. Okay, and oh, like this. Okay, what and all you want to do, you can add it. Like your dependency, this and all is logic. Okay, which table, which field you need to take, this and all. Okay, this and all is logic. Okay, if any flowchart required, you can maintain a flowchart if required. Okay, so when you open this document, you should come to know end to end how this is achieved and what and all testing you did, process flow. This is the flowchart for that. Okay, and okay, so testing will be there. Error handling, if any errors are there. Okay, see here how you are going to test it. Positive testing and negative testing both should be there, mandatory, both the testings. Okay, like this flow chart. Okay, dependency, if any bad job required for that, you need to maintain the bad job like that. Okay, what and all programs you are going to use, everything should be documented. This is called as functional specification. This is called as open all and see, try to understand. Okay, open one by one and see. Okay, what is this? We'll see. Payroll file. Okay, create a payroll file. Okay, so what they are doing here. Okay, if you see here, IW47 is used to report of confirmation. That is a standard T code. Okay, IW47 is a standard T code. It's a standard T code. Okay, so what they are telling against the maintenance orders, business, they are telling only for this plant. Okay, requires a report of activity confirmation. So for this plan, what and all confirmation done they want done against the maintenance order for activity type. This is your labor cost activity type. This is your labor cost activity type. Okay, so where this activity type will sit, where this labor cost activity type will be there, where you can get it, or how you are getting my point, what I'm telling, where this labor cost activity type will go and sit. Tell me both of you, yes or no? No, or you know, or you don't know?
In settlement?
In your work center, yeah, during settlement for labor. See, not for the settlement. Activity type will be maintained in the work center. Activity type will be for the labor cost. This is for your labor cost, right?
Right.
Labor cost flow is coming from the activity type maintained in the work center with KP26, correct or not?
Yeah, per hour.
Yes, that activity type only they are discussing it. So they are telling they need a report for the confirmation done only for this plan, which is having this activity types only. This activity types only, confirmation done. Report will be generated in a format into CSV file, then mailed to external parties. This is what the requirement. If you have doubt on this CSV file, you can ask the business boss. You are telling CSV file, what kind of format you need. You can ask to the business. And before writing this FS, you should discuss with the ABABer. Hey, business requirement, they want this to be into a CSV file. Whether can we generate a CSV file? If the ABABer tell yes, then only you can start writing this FS. You got my point? After you write everything and ABABer is telling it cannot be done, means you cannot do the development. Correct? So that is what I told. When a development is coming, first you need to check with the business whether this can be achieved or not. If the business tell yes, then only you should start the FS. And before explain to the ABABer, if you have doubt what is the CSV file, you can have call with the business. Hey, come on, okay, you have written this. So what kind of CSV file you need? They are given here. You need to open this all and see. Okay. Oh, they are asking file in this format. This file you should show to the ABABer. They should tell whether this can be achieved or not, this format. Getting me, both of you?
Yes.
Okay. Vaibhav, for you,
Yes, sir.
for your 2.5 3 years, this they won't ask much, but you understand. Don't concentrate here much, but I will tell you what you need. You just see it, not much, just understand it. Okay. So clear, Vaibhav. So before starting writing the FS, you should understand very clearly. And if the ABABer tells yes, this can be done, then only you should writing this FS, and all related should be maintained in this FS document. You should sit and read everything. Okay, and you need to give to the paper from which table and which field the data you are going to pull. Saurabh, this is
Yes.
very important. RICEFWS is very important for the interview. Mandatory 99% they will ask. Be very, understand it very clearly. So in the interview, they may ask you, this is just for understanding for you. Okay, they will ask you, can ask you what and all will be there in the FS. Okay, so in the FS, okay, in the FS, this and all will be there. Okay, in the FS, okay,
Yes.
business requirement, business benefit, logic, dependencies, bad job, flow chart, testing, and if needed, any other. So mostly this will be there mandatory in any FS. That is what here. Okay, you can see here validation. If any validation you need to bring. Okay, file generation, report output. Like it vary project to project. There is see testing. This Excel. This Excel I showed, right? That Excel I open. So in that Excel, what and all values should come. This all should be there in FS, FS. Otherwise, this FS will not be approved. If you are not maintaining everything in the FS will not be approved. This FS will be approved by the client. What required, he will check your FS and they will approve. They will not approve if all details are not in the document, FS document. Clear? Both of you.
Clear, sir.
Saurabh.
Yes.
So your FS should know everything. Like this, your FS should be prepared. Like this, your FS should be prepared. Okay, so open all the FS one by one, read it. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, so pick list, what is this? We'll see. See in the first itself, you can see here. See here. So business requirement, business benefit, dependencies. Okay, security authorizations, error handling, test case. I told right, positive and negative testing. Okay, and any layout. Okay, everything this and all. In this what and all you can tell, but this is mandatory. This all mainly this yellow color. Other things, whatever you can add, bad job, flow chart, like that, whatever you can add. Okay, so see this FS, all the FS I'll send, read it, understand it. Okay, see business requirement, a small flow chart. Okay, so what they are telling, model release print program, what they are telling here, orders are released. When the orders are released, the pick list of one is printed. This pick list service. What they are telling here, simple. When you are releasing the work order, see, when the maintenance orders are released, the print list is off unprinted. That is the requirement. Clear now?
Clear.
Okay. It should automatically print. You don't want to give manual print. When you are clicking the release button and saving, automatically print should happen. This is the requirement. This is the requirement. Clear?
Clear.
It's a good requirement. My pick list should be generated. It's a good, easy development to explain in the interview. It's an easy one, right? I can add in the Excel also. Okay. So this is what FS document. Okay. So what we are discussing now is development. So Saurabh, when you are going to go for interview, minimum 4 developments you should have in hand. Minimum. Without that, don't go for the interview. Okay. Mandatory you should know, because this is a not 99, 100% they will ask. 100% they will ask. Okay. When order is released, okay, in the backend, as they means automatically, okay, print list should be generated, printed.
Print.
Sorry, not print list. What is that? Pick list.
Pick
Click list should
list.
be automatically printed. Click list should be printed. Yeah, this is also good development, right?
Right, sir.
That's all. See, small flow chart. Okay, small flow chart. So, what are the flow? How you are going to do this? Okay, so benefit. The print shopper used to print the list of materials with the document, place a critical and adding to the stores to pick the materials. Okay, assumptions. What language should be this and all you need to discuss. What language should be there? English. What is the paper size? Okay. Uh, what is the front size and all? Okay. So in the pick list, whether you need to bring some other data, right? Like this. Okay. So there should be a shop paper for this. Okay. What is the program name? Everything you need to bring it. Everything you need to bring it. Like this. See, test case. Go to IW32. If order system is created, if try to print. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See, not only IW32, they are telling in IW3D also. Okay. If it is in creator status, if it is creator status, it is not allowing to print. Okay. You sit and read these documents and all. Okay. If you have any doubt, let me know. This is what basic. See how what the shop paper format, what and all details, what it should to come, everything they are keeping here. See, like this, your document should be very, very clear. If you are not writing this document clearly, your client will not approve your FS. If the FS is not approved, you cannot start your work. If the FS is not approved by the client, you cannot start your work. Clear?
Clear.
Yes. So that's all for today on this. Okay. So I'll send this FS. So now we completed this. Okay. So for everything, you need to write this function specification for everything. So this and all are not possible by standard. This and all, for example, if the permit is open, we know permit, right? If the permit is open, it should not allow to do the confirmation. Okay, if the permit is not if the permit is not closed, okay, if the permit is not closed, we should not allow to do the confirmation.
Yes,
Got
sir.
me?
Yes.
So that is not available achieved by standard. So you will do with the development. This one you can tell, and you know equipment task list. You know equipment task list. Remember, what is equipment task list? Anyone can tell me. Anyone can tell me. Vaibhav, what is equipment task list? Vaibhav is there or not? Saurabh, what is equipment task list? Tell me.
Uh,
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, what is equipment task list?
Equipment task list. A T code is IA01.
Super. So what is that? Why? What is? Tell me. Tell me.
And any equipment task list, if any operations uh, in any equipment we have many operations, then uh, for example,
You don't know what is equipment task list. Tomorrow you tell me what is equipment task list. Okay. So the equipment task list means the equipment will have its operations. The equipment will have its own operations. Okay. If you go here, okay, equipment task list, right? Execute. Okay. So you can see it is equipment task list. So it will have this. This will have equipment link to it. Okay. This will have the equipment link to it. Okay. This is called equipment task list. Okay. So if you see this task list, okay, this task list, group 1, counter 1, this motor is created for only this equipment. See here, you cannot use this task list for any other equipment. That is what equipment task list. That is what equipment task list. Okay. Give the equipment display. Okay, this is equipment, press enter. Okay, you can see the header. In the header, you can see the group 1 and group counter. This task list motor group 1 group counter can be used only for this equipment. You cannot use for other equipments. It is having these operations. It is having this operation. So what is the requirement when I am creating an order for this equipment? General work order in IW 31. When I am creating an order for this, okay, when I am creating a order for this equipment, the requirement is, okay, the requirement is do lot of practice. That is what I'm telling. Saurabh, one thing I will tell you, okay, now also there is opening in Yash. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
1 year, if you go out and if you learn, then you can come to Noida. My advice, if you think only for Noida or NCR, maybe it may take time to get offer. Okay, if you are okay to travel for 1 to 2 years, your offer you may get easy. Only location, if you try it may be tough. It may take some time. Okay, your wish, it's your personal. I cannot tell anything on it. Okay, right. YB A1, right? Okay, we'll try YB. Okay, YB A1. Okay. Right. So since this equipment is having a task list, that will not copy here because this is general maintenance order. Correct. Now this is the requirement. Since this equipment is having a task list, this task list it is having. So when I create order for this equipment, I want this operation in the task list to be copied to the work order automatically. This is called your equipment task list. This one. Now you are clear on this? Are you clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This and all easy you can tell in the interview. This and all is easy you can tell in the interview. Okay, and then this I told you, permit is open, you cannot do the confirmation in IW 41. Okay, and what and all materials consumed on that day, that their business can tell as a requirement. For today, in the PM order, what and all materials consumed. Yeah, that you can tell. This is one development. Okay, this we discussed today. So in this you read it, what you understand. Saurabh, you should have 4 mandatory.
Okay, sir.
99% they will ask this. 99%. So be very thorough on this before going. This is a default interview question from 3 to 15 years. What you worked on developments. Vaibhav you may not get because he is going to put only 2.5 to 3 years. So for him it won't. 90% they won't ask. 99%, but understand it. Understand it.
Okay,
Vaibhav. Saurav, you should know
Yes, sir.
this mandatory. Okay.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is what development. Okay. Still we didn't complete. This and all very small. This is shop paper. Same shop paper means you are changing the format in the shop paper. That's all. Okay. Shop paper, some format. Yeah, we discussed this one.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Shop
sir.
paper means here there is no printout. But yeah, but what is that? You want to change some data in this shop paper. That's all. That is FS. That is FS. If you are changing any data in this printout, that is FS. That is what here, shop paper and smart forms. For that, you need to write everything. Clear or you are not able to understand?
So clear.
Yes, sir.
Requirement is when I am releasing the order, Automatically the pick list should generate. That is the requirement here. This is a development. This shop paper is no printout and all. When you print any case, I am changing some data. For example, this main work center I don't want. I want the control key here. That is a development. Changing the data in this printout. That is a development because it is not standard. So everything I need to write for that. FS everything. This is called shop paper. Okay. Workflow, very simple. But you need a ABAPer for a workflow consultant or ABAPer for that. Okay. Workflow consultant itself are there. Okay. Workflow consultant itself are there. Okay. Are there. Okay. So workflow means, for example, breakdown notification is created. When breakdown notification created, automatically mail should trigger. Automatically mail triggering is called as workflow. Automatically mail triggering is called as workflow. See here, it should be I kept here. Shop paper. Here. When an event happen, mail will trigger. Workflow consultant are there in SAP. Example, equipment deletion flag set. Okay, or a breakdown notification created, or a permit is attached or created. This and all are some things, some conditions. So when it done, automatically mail should trigger to the manager. This is called as workflow. For this, again, you need to write the FS. Full FS you should write for workflow. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is done. This is done. Okay. This we'll discuss tomorrow. An interface we'll discuss to conversion. Your LSMW, your LSMW BDC. That's what conversion. Nothing. Okay. Now pending is this two. That we'll do tomorrow. This also I can tell report. Report is this one. Any Z report. Okay. Like you are this one. You are here. Yeah. So there is no standard report in SAP. If a work order is created, from that work order, PR and PO will be created, right? MM relation. Work order to PO, there is no direct standard report in SAP. Work order to reservation is there, MB25. Work order to reservation you will get in MB25. There is a T code MB25. Okay. In that you can get a report directly if you give the work order number here, document number. See here. If you give the order number, automatically reservation number you will get. That possible is there. Okay. For example, I was opening order right now. Is that reservation is there? No. Okay. Standard you will get it. Okay. You have a standard report. Okay. Okay. Yeah, star. There should be reservation number, right? Yes. Now give this order number here. Okay. Execute. Maybe you need to give the date or something. Give the date 1710. Okay. Yeah, execute. Not sure it is not coming. Maybe you need to give the material number. I don't think so. Let's see. See, open reservation. Remove this. This is issue. Open means if the material is not issued. So now click it, you should get. Should come. Plant is correct. Order is correct. Date it is expecting requirement, but not required. Got it? You got the
Yes.
reservation number for your work order. For your, you will get the order number here. If you change your right, change layout. I think this is the order number. Is that the order number? Yes, you got the order number. See here. So for this order, this is standard report. Like this, work order to PO, you don't have standard report. That is the requirement from the business. So along with the PO, they want the order type input fields. Okay. So here in the input, what and all required? In the input, I need the order number, order type, order creation date, ER creation date, notification number. In the output means after executing, what all I need here, what are the fields? My order number, order creation date, notification number, PR creation, PO creation, and service center sheet if service center sheet. So this is called as Z report. Z report means which is not available in standard. That is called as Z report. Clear or any doubt on Z report?
Okay, sir.
Clear on this? Yeah, tell me, sir. Vaibhav, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Vaibhav, you should know this, Vaibhav. You should know one Z report, you understand and go. They may not ask, but if they ask, you should know this. See, you change here whatever you want, but bring the order number and PO. Other than that, whatever you want, you add it. PR, PO, reservation number, material. Even if you want, you can bring the material here. Okay. Your
Yes,
wish.
sir.
But don't miss these two. Order number and the PO. Don't miss these two fields. Along with that, whatever you want, you add it. But this is a mandatory question for Saurav.
Yes.
RICEFWS they will ask. This is easy. Report is easy to tell. Again, for this, you need to write the FS. Every FS you need to write. Because this is not standard. See here, a report. So sit and read all these documents. Understand it. Okay, any doubt on this, let me know. This is MM report actually. Okay, sit and work on this. Okay, any doubt on this, let me know. And only topic pending now is interface. That will do tomorrow. Other than that, everything completed.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any open questions or doubts? Saurabh, for you, this is a mandatory into question. Vaibhav, report you understand and go. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vaibhav, you understand, report and go. For you, they won't ask much, but always learning is good. Okay. Yeah, I am done for today. Anything, let me know. If not, we can interface, we can discuss next class. Read this. Okay. If you have any doubt, let me know. We can discuss. In this, read this RICEFWS. What and all we discuss, it will be there. Okay.
The RICEFWS is only for report purpose, not used in SAP, any other.
Tell me, what is your query? Tell me. Report is a report. RICEFWS is report, not used for any other.
Any other we use in SAP, and then what a configuration changes, yeah, and the other entry in SAP system.
See, configuration is standard SAP.
Yes.
Configuration is standard SAP. That will not be a development.
Uh, when we go in client side, then first we create a RICEPs.
How you will create a RICEF? First, you need to understand the blueprint requirement. During blueprint requirement, see, if it is a development project, you will be working on only developments. Implementation
Okay.
would have been completed.
Yes.
Implementation would have been completed. Support team maybe they are different, but there could be open RICEFs. So
Okay.
you'll be working only on RICEFs if that is the case. Developments.
Okay. Yeah.
If implementation is already done, I am telling.
Okay.
Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Without the implementation, how you can go for RICEFs when the implementation is not there?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. I'd send the FS. Sit and read this FS. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
I had given these documents. Sit and read it. Vaibhav, you don't waste much time on this. Okay, you concentrate only this one, the report I wrote, right? See, you think and tell. If you have any other than this, you think, sir, can I, for example, breakdown report? Okay, yeah, you need to go on section IW 2029. Instead of that, I need a Z breakdown report. If you want, you tell some report. We'll discuss. You tell in the interview. I don't have any concerns. Clear, Saurabh, I'm telling to you.
Yes, sir.
You tell anything, whatever you think, which is easy for you, understandable for you. Okay, if you want to tell something, we'll discuss it. But whatever you are telling should not be available in standard. That is the important point. Directly standard, you should not tell this is a development. Okay. Let me
Okay.
know. We can discuss further. Or you can tell labor cost also, labor plan cost and actual cost. You can get from IW 32. But other than 32, they need as a direct report. If I give the order number, I need the labor cost, a plan cost and actual cost. You got it?
Yes,
You
sir.
tell whatever you want, you bring, no issues, because this is development. But tell to me, I'll tell whether it is right or wrong. If it is right, you can tell that in the interview. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm done for today. If any open questions, let me
Uh,
know. Or you
sir,
can.
as a PM consultant, traveling is mandatory.
Depends on project to project.
Okay.
Depends on project to project. It depends. Project to project, it vary.
And
That's what depends on the company. See, ENY